all aluminum, dual core, holds more than the factory one.
Y'all want to see something? Sponsored by Colony Bear.
Sex juice. Colony nasty.
Cloth ass boy.
I did my hoses and shit. You gotta take the.
Ain't got no fucking reason to pull me over with a goof ass.
Gotta take off the fan slime.
Slime. I'm fan.
So I do the hoses. These 2 threaded ones. Here. I didn't say that. Which fans gotta be on one. So the threads are different on the new Radiator. We get these little things. That's the part number from our eyeless. That's the part number. So I'm just wrapping it with Teflon tape, and I have to take this little grate off and shove it on the line. I'm just gonna thread it first because it's a little easier to start it. And then I'll put the lines in it. So after the aluminum Radiator not being the right one, when picked up the right one. They had sent me a 30-inch core, and it was 36 or so inches in complete length, and I needed a 34-inch core. So for basically, it was only mounting here on the outsides where I needed to mount here. So it was like 36, I think, from there to there, and it needs to be 40 from there to there. What to put it in? See, I think that'll stay. Aluminum boy problems. I think that's staying. This is about a fucking spin off. You think that'll stay? Take that magnet off. Let's see. I think that'll stay. Take the magnet off. What? From under here? No. Take the thing off. Oh. That. What? That's what you done. Stop it, man. Resale value only going down. Took the blocks out and you fucking doing this.
Hey, what's wrong with it, B?
Bro, he just hey,
take the clip out.
Beat on
it.
I just put a sticker on this thing. I made this for a little slime the other day.
Hey, you just lick that fucking thing, bro.
Hello.
Lubrication. Come on, Chode, let's see what you got.
Okay, we'll be back in action.
Look, Chode refilling. Fucking hole on this bitch ain't fucking big.
Hey, you gonna buy my clip?
I've never heard anybody that before.
Why are you using my Orbeez?
I'll bring you a bag of balls tomorrow or the next time I come. I got fucking like 50,000 in the hole.
How about we do an even trade? I'll give you my gun and my clip and my battery.
Facebook time right here.
And I'll get you girl. This one that old.
Nigga, you got this girl anyway, be real.
Yeah,
oh yeah, you heard him?
Hey, you have the baby that's about to come with her.
Oh, nice.
Oh, wow.
Wait, which way?
Hey, what? No, I ain't even gonna say nothing about that.
Shut up. I got Sharpie on my video.
Why would you even say that? Why would you say that? Really? Oh, I forgot. I didn't show that part. The boss said, yeah.
Nice sharp remarks. Even the head.
Oh, it shot?
Oh, okay. So when the clip's pretty full, it shoots.
Alright, so
hey, one hit me in the head.
Mine works.
Oh!
Let's see if mine works if it's fully loaded. I'm finna make $5.
Money bag.
Yeah, I just need to make me some more balls.
You need some balls.
X Gage.
Look at all the
Money bag, 2G.
Nigga,
no
when
typo.
you go down the road, it's gonna come up, bro.
We need
Here,
to go
see
take
if
some
that
roller
thing
slime.
shoots now.
We need to go get some roller slime.
I got my boy one earlier.
But yeah, 500 yards away at your fucking house.
Your little wheel ain't.
Give me the clip.
Your fucking wheel.
Hit it! Fucking hit it! There you go. It's gonna work now. Give me the thing. Oh, but I plug it. Roll up.
Don't do it on my fucking goddamn fucking.
Hey, hell's hot, little boy. I keep talking like that.
Give me my shit. You making them fall out. You ignorant fuck.
Alright, now shoot it. See
The
my
door
way.
open.
Fight him. Fight him.
Fight me about it.
Hold
you
up.
punk.
Let me see that. Pour some in there. It works. Trust me, I do it all the time. It just needs to be like a little rinse
over
up.
the fucking
Now
truck.
try it.
Nice.
Dude, your truck's fucked. You got Sharpie on it, bro. Is the wheel spinning?
No.
Give it here. I know how to fix that solution.
Bro, you've been saying that the past 8 times.
Now go get it. It'll work. I swear to God, I did this plenty of
Fucking
times.
dumbass rapping, no fucking get it yourself.
52 pickup, my brother.
Don't hit me with a ball.
Shoot him.
I will come back with a paintball gun and light you up.
Shoot him. Ain't a paintball gun got a 9 mil in it.
Hey, throw it in the concrete.
Oh, block can't get rolled up.
Throw it at Colin's shirt.
Here, see
Yeah,
these
you-
things now.
Put it against the paint, just walk around the truck.
Got you, boy. This is what we do. This is what we do. Come on, Lance, show him what that is.
That's D-Jack's ball, bro. He hit the water.
Hit a homer. We posted up.
Fuck, I ain't got glory no snap.
Oh, is that rubbing?
Oh, no, bro.
Put 4 on the floor. 4 on the floor. Hey! Flawless. Let him eat, Lance.
That 4-8 fucking eats, cousin.
4 on the floor.
Oh, that shit stinks.
Nasty, nasty. Good man. Do something stupid.
Yours breaks. Look at these motherfuckers.
Trailin's about to wreck.
Oh shit. About to go in the fucking. Hey, in the ditch.
Watch
Oh,
Lance.
he's scared now.
Oh.
Hey, watch he falls in that ditch. Like that. Bang! I love how them 5-0 sound. He ain't gonna do nothing. I lied. That's my next on the 5-0.
Okay. Hold up, Gage. You got mud. You got mud in my truck. Oh, nice. Put it in drive. That's unfortunate. Gage, I think you stuck.
Hey, come push me out.
I got a strap.
Hurry up.
I got a strap.
I don't want them coming back here. Hey there, buddy. What's going on?
What the fuck?
Gordon's getting the strap here because I kind of hit the hole in the work unit. Oh, yeah, got the strap here.
Keegan, you gotta film this shit. That's
Hold on.
funny.
Yeah, buddy, need to film this right here.
Oh, chill, slime.
Hey, who said squatted trucks ain't good for nothing?
I think it'd have been this soft right here.
Hey, hold that for a second. Hold up, G. I need to put my shit in my fucking pocket.
I'm gonna pick my windows up. Hurry up. Pick my windows up.
Yeah, you know. You know. Hey, alright.
back up. Hold on. Stuck. I can't get it out. Hey, look, son. I legit can't get it out. Dude, I can't get out the bumper, bro. Look, my God, I just bought the bitch. Oh, wow. Here, back up. Back up.
That's awesome.
Back up, man. Hold up. All right. Who says squatted trucks can't tow, dude? Just gonna keep that back here in the old tow rig. Penis or butterfly, whatever. Gage, what you gotta say about that?
Well, I fucking sunk that bitch.
Damn, bro, you are.
It's because I hit it going slow. You got a fucking work unit?
Work
Fuck
unit.
no, boy. That thing was shitting itself.
Hey, Colin left the jacket.
Man,
Thanks
that
for
shit
the
had me
jolly.
crying, bro. I ain't fucking lying. Holy shit.
Ain't no thing, Gage. You're welcome.
Thank you, Bubba.